Hello, Coach K community. Are you ready to build some stronger arms? Let's do this. Go ahead and grab your weights, roll out that mat, and let's get started. So for the warm-up, just put those weights off to the side. You do not need them. You can do this whole workout kneeling. You can do it standing. Let's go ahead and get those arms warmed up. Arms are gonna start nice long down by the sides of the body. You're gonna create big, giant arm circles. Doesn't matter which way you started first, because of course we're going to reverse that circle there. Now we're taking these slow, really opening up those shoulders, really reaching those arms away. And 2, we'll go ahead and reverse. Last big circle going, whichever way you chose first. Pause at the bottom. Now go ahead and reverse those circles there for me. One more big circle. And bring it on down. Real quick, slow and controlled, what you're going to do is just reach your arms forward and send them back down. And again, reach it forward at shoulder height. Slow and controlled, bring it back on down. Let's go ahead, do 3 more. Last one. And bring it on in. Let's get started. Go ahead and grab onto your lovely weights. I'm gonna go ahead and come up into that high kneel here. Now what we're going to start with is our elbows bent. Palms are gonna face up. Roll your shoulders back and down. Keeping that core nice and tight, slow and controlled. You're gonna reach your arms away from the body, keeping a soft bend in those elbows. Slow and controlled, bring it back on in. And again, reach away from the body, keeping a soft bend in those elbows. Slow and controlled, bring it back on down. In 10, we're gonna hold those arms halfway out. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach those arms halfway out, pause. In 10, you're gonna pulse those hands away. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, little pulses away from that body for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend it back on down. Extend those arms down in front of your body. Keeping a soft bend in those elbows, slow and controlled. You're gonna curl all the way into your shoulders. Slow and controlled, extend it away. So just a regular bicep curl. In 10, we're gonna hold it halfway. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend it in about halfway. Now curl it halfway up, halfway down. In 10, you're gonna hold it at the halfway point in 8. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Scoop those arms. Bring the elbows to shoulder height, pause. Now slow and controlled. You're gonna open your elbows out to the sides of the room. Flip your palms to face away. Slow and controlled, palms face back on in, elbows come back. Elbows go out, palms flip away. In 10, we're gonna hold it in front of our face. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Now pulse those hands up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Whew. Slow and controlled, elbows open out to the sides. We'll get a rest right after this. Slow and controlled. Keeping your elbows wide, keeping the wrist right over those elbows. Slow and controlled, you're gonna reach your hands up towards that ceiling. Slow and controlled, bend them back on down. Inhale, exhale. You got this. In 10, we're gonna end with a little pulse. In 3, 2, 1. Hold it halfway, pause. Little pulses up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it on out. Quick little, just roll it on out. Shake it on out. We got a little bit more upper body to push through. It's gonna be more tricep focused though. So again, go ahead and grab onto those weights. We're going to slightly lean our chest forward, our hips slightly back. You're gonna bend those elbows into the sides of the body there. Slow and controlled. Using the back of your arms, you're going to extend the pinkies away from your body. Slow and controlled, pull back in from the thumbs. So again, lead with your pinkies. Pull from the thumbs to come back on in. In 10, we're gonna hold it extended out. In 3, 2, 1. Hold those hands extended out. Flip the palms to face up. Pulse the arms up towards that ceiling for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Hands are gonna come in front of the body. Palms are facing in. Now my hands aren't coming glued together. They're slightly separated. Soften into your elbows, slow and controlled. You're gonna open those arms out to the sides of the room. Squeeze into that upper back. Slow and controlled, wrist down to the front. Resist away. Slow and controlled, bring it back on in. In 10, we're gonna hold it out to the sides. In 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Now pulse it out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring it on in. Hands are gonna still face in. You're going to bend those elbows straight back. Slow and controlled, resist them down. Again, bend those elbows, pull straight back like you're pulling up those pants there. Same thing here in 10. You're gonna hold it pulled back. In 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Now pulse it back for 10, 9. Squeeze into that upper back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend those arms. You're gonna bring those arms up towards that ceiling. From your elbows, bend so the thumbs go behind the head. Pinkies are up towards that ceiling. Elbows are pressing in. Slow and controlled, you're gonna extend those arms up and out. Slow and controlled, bend them back on down. And again, extend up and out. Bend it on in. In 10, you're gonna hold it halfway raised. In 3, 2, 1. Hold it halfway extended, pause. Now from here, pulse it up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it up and over. Here's your finisher. Bring those arms out to the sides of the room. Hold. Close those eyes if you need to. Do whatever it takes. This is gonna burn, but just think, this is your finisher. Final 5 here. In 5, we're gonna pulse those hands up. In 3, 2, 1. Little pulses up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7. In 6, you're gonna hold them there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold them there. You got this. In 10, we're gonna pulse one more time. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Little ups and downs for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Shake it on out. Go ahead and put those weights off to the side. Let's do our lovely upper body stretching here. First things first, clasp those hands together. Reach them up towards that ceiling. Get that length in there. And then slowly open it around. Bring that right arm across that body. Hook the left arm underneath. Now, if you made it through this workout and you've made it to these stretches and you enjoyed working out with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe there. I would love for you to join that I Am Coach Kate community. Go ahead and switch to the other side. And shake it on out. Bring your right hand up and over like you're high-fiving the back of your right shoulder. Left hand is gonna come in front of that right elbow. You're gonna lightly pull down. For 3, 2, 1. Shake it on out. Left hand comes behind. High five that left shoulder there. Take that right hand, lightly pull down. And shake it on out. Last thing, bring those hands to the stomach. Close those eyes. Relax those shoulders. Take in that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. And again, take in that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. Well, awesome job today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.